Control and resistance in work. Intricate interpersonal relationships. In our work relationships, the dynamics of control and being controlled appear particularly intricate. It is understandable that all company owners want to control their employees. However, not all employees willingly submit to such control from their bosses, leading to numerous conflicts between them. This delicate interpersonal relationship raises a thought-provoking question. Who sustains whom? The boss or the employees? The answer seems evident, yet few dare to directly address this question. This reluctance to face reality is lamentable. In such a situation, many companies exhibit a rare phenomenon. When bosses lack the ability to control employees who are innovative and skilled, they resort to trying to remove them. What could be the potential impact of such an approach on the company's future? Have business owners reflected on the consequences of such distorted thinking on their company's prospects? Let's delve into these questions. When a company begins losing its creative and technically proficient employees, its competitiveness and innovation also decline. This scenario is detrimental to the company's long-term growth. Employees are crucial to a company's success. Losing excellent employees diminishes the company's drive for growth. Additionally, employees' contributions to the company cannot be ignored. Talented employees not only bring innovation and growth but also present the company with greater opportunities and benefits. When employees feel respected and valued, they tend to work harder and grow alongside the company. On the other hand, when bosses choose to ostracize talented employees, such behavior only leads to employee turnover and low team morale. This not only affects the company's productivity and efficiency but may also lead to severe interpersonal issues that could push the company into crisis. Therefore, it is essential for bosses to reevaluate their attitudes and approaches towards their employees. Establishing good communication and trust with employees is crucial. By encouraging employees to reach their potential and providing an open and respectful work environment, bosses can ensure their company maintains an edge in a competitive market. Simultaneously, employees need to recognize their value and rights. Through clear communication and rational thought, employees can voice their opinions and suggestions, driving the company toward better development. Employees can enhance their skills and improve their competitiveness to play a more significant role at work. On the other hand, employees must respect the company's rules and management systems. Mutual understanding and respect between employees and bosses form the foundation for establishing a positive work relationship. This relationship can help create a better working environment and enhance productivity. In the rapidly changing world, companies must adapt to the evolving market demands. To stay competitive, companies must innovate and adjust strategies continually. In such times, active employee engagement and innovative thinking are paramount. So, how should companies adjust their attitudes towards employees to ensure the long-term development of the company? How can they strike a balance between control and respecting employees' freedom? These questions concern not only the fate of the company but also the employees' careers and well-being. We must ponder these questions seriously to find effective solutions.